Good morning, children. Mental maths check-out. Chapter 3, numbers up to 50, page 15, pick out. Assignment 13, page 15. A. Write the numbers of ascending order. You know, ascending order means smallest number to greatest number. Okay. A. 1, 38, 28, 43 and 70. So first you write here smallest number to greatest number. Okay. Ascending order. First, children, you see ones. Ones is, see, different number is here, ones. So let's see tens. Tens also differ. See. So first number is, you know, 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, okay, 5 tens. So first number is 1. Okay. So 1, 7, 70. I write here. First number, small number. After then you see tens, 2, 28. Next number 3, 38. Last number 43. So first you see ones. Ones is different. After then you see tens. Tens also different. So it's very easy. So stepwise you see and write it. Okay. Next question 2. 27, 30, 42, 35. See again ones, see different 0, 2, 5, 7. So let's see now tens. See children, tens is 2 tens is same here. See 3 or 35. So first small tens is 2, 27. So first you write 27. Next number, yes, 30. Same number is here. Same number, not same number. Same tens is here. 330, 330. So 30 or 35. So you know children, 35 is bigger than 30. So you write 30. After then 30. Next, last number, you see 42. So tally, okay, every number you tally it first, after then you write, okay. 23, 16, 46, 24, 23. Now children, see again. See different ones is different, this ones is same, okay, and tens is 2 tens is same, 2 tens is same, okay, ones. So first you know small number, 1 number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0 is not here, not is ones, tens. So 1 is tens, 10. So first number you write here 1, 6, 16. Okay. Next number 23, 24. So 23 is small than 24. So write 23. After then 24. Last one 46. 4. See, number 4 tens is very big number. So 33, 13, 20, 49. See, first one, they see, say different number is here. So tens, I mark it. Okay, first one, see, 1 tens. So 1, 3, 13. Next 2, 20. Next 3, 3, 33. Last one 4 tens, 49. Okay. So I hope everyone understood A. Next B. B is descending order. Ascending, smallest to biggest number. Descending means biggest to smallest number. One, 30, 24, 18, 22. So first biggest number, children, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It's very important. Okay. So first one is see, tens, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, it's not here, 4, 3, yes, 3, so 30, I write first 30, 3, 2, 1, 0, so 2 number is 2, 22, 24, so to tally now, 24 is big, 22 is big, so 24 is big, then 22, so write first 24, after then 22 and last one 18. Okay. Number 2, 42, 12, 29, 37. Again, see first big number. Okay, so I can point first number 42, big number 42. After then, children, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 42, 37, 29 and last one 12. So 4, 3, 2, 1. See, tens, you see tens, yes, any same number, so tally this number, 24, 22, okay, so same tens, now I tell, okay, 3, 19, 23, 36, 48. First one, you see, big number you find first. Yes, 48 is big number. Write first. 4, 3, 2, 1. So 3, 36, 2, 1. It's very easy. 4, 3, 2, 1. 48, 36, 23, 19. Next number 4. 11, 9, 41, 20. See, 41. Tens, 1 tens. 9 is 1, single number. Okay. So 4 is big number. So write first 4. 3 tens is not here, so 2 tens, so 20. 11 also is here, last one single number 9. It's very easy. So practice first number 1 to 50. Now let's see, write the greatest number in the given boxes. Greatest number, see, umbrella is here. Okay. 3 number, 12, 37, 25. So greatest number is the given boxes. Which number is greatest number? 1, 3, 2. So tens I underline. 37 is greatest number. Okay. Next 2. 40, 19, 27. Okay. So find it. 4, 1, 2. So great number, big number, 4 tens. So right here 40. Okay. So I hope everyone understood. 3 is same, 39, 7, 17. So see, 3 tens is big number. So 39 is answer. 4, 35, 22, 41. So tens, draw the line first. So 4 is big. So right here 41. So it's very easy. Practice, children. Now take out your homework diary, school diary, take out. Write your homework. Chapter 3, page 15. Okay. I hope everyone understood. So practice, children. Okay.